Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to change the profile photo on your Facebook like page on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer and a Facebook account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to your web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to facebook.com. We can click on a shortcut on the toolbar menu. Make sure you are signed into the account, then go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on your Facebook like page. My page is computer science videos, and now in this tutorial we will be changing the current profile photo that just says C. Click on the camera logo. We can either view the photo or edit the profile picture. Click on edit, upload photo, go to documents, my YouTube channel. I have the YouTube icon logo within my YouTube folder. Click on the photo itself, choose, let that upload. We can adjust if we require, decrease, increase. I'll just leave it the way it is. We can add a description. Let's just say computer science videos. Logo. Click on save, and now that should have changed the profile photo for the like page. Command R to refresh, and now the profile photo for the Facebook like page has now officially changed. We also have it as a status update. So we can now quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.